Look at the composite figure below. The figure consists of a rectangle and 3 congruent circles. Which of the following best represents the area not contained in the circles? So we're looking for the unshaded region. So we have a rectangle and 3 identical circles. Okay, so let's start with the rectangle since that's our easiest. The formula for area of a rectangle is area equals base times height. We know that our base is 24. Now, how can I figure out our height since we don't have a height? Well, we know that all 3 circles are the same distance. So 1, 2, 3. And we know all the way across is 24. So if I broke 24 up into 3 groups, I would end up with 8. So we know the height is going to be 8 because the distance from one side of a circle to the other, the diameter, is the same no matter which direction it is going. So now our rectangle base is 24, height is 8. We're just going to multiply those together and you will get 192 inches squared. Okay, now we move on to our 3 circles. Well, we know the formula for circles is area equals pi r squared. Well, when we had to figure out the height, we figured out the diameter is 8. So if the diameter is 8, what is the radius halfway going to be? Half of 8 gives me 4. So I know my radius is 4. So area equals pi times 4 squared. We know 4 squared is just 4 times 4. So now we have area equals 3 and 1400ths, because that's what pi is, times 16. We're going to multiply those together, and you will get 50 and 2400ths inches squared. Now, that's the area for one circle, but we have 3 circles. So we're going to multiply this times 3. Two decimal spots, and you have 150.72. Now it wants to know the area of the non-shaded. So the little white areas, that's what we're looking for. So if we know the whole area of the rectangle and we have the area of all the circles, all we have to do is subtract 192 minus 150 and 72 hundredths. And you will end up with 41 and 28 inches squared.